When reading a story, most readers will expect that whatever the status quo is at the start of the story will have changed by the end, for better or for worse.
Only start line editing once you've finished your structural or developmental edits. Why? There's no point in crafting that perfect sentence in a scene that you're going to cut.
The title of your story has to do so many things all at once. TLDR, it has to both represent the content of your story while also working a marketing angle and selling itself to passers-by.
The temptation to describe everything to your reader, from the shade of red of the apple to exactly what your protagonist is thinking and feeling as he eats that apple, can be strong. But never forget that your reader isn't stupid. They don't need everything laid out for them. Part of the fun of reading a good book is visualizing the setting or the character for yourself.